Welcome to the Genius Factory. Enjoy the video.
You start by choosing a target Notion page because placement affects layout. Click the plus or type /embed to add an embed block. This is how Notion accepts external widgets. Paste the widget URL or HTML provider link directly into the field, then hit embed. Do this now so you can adjust size and alignment immediately. Once done, make sure the provider allows iframe embedding. If it blocks iframes, Notion cannot display it. This step saves time and avoids later permission conflicts. Next, you refine how the widget appears and behaves. Drag the embed block edges or convert the page layout to full width so the widget fits. This controls visual balance. Open the widget provider settings and pick responsive mode, set height in PX, and choose light or dark theme so it matches your page. If the widget requires scripts or tokens, grant public access or add the embed token now. Doing this ensures the widget loads reliably and preserves your intended design. Finally, you confirm the widget works and prepare fixes for common issues. Interact with the widget, then reload the Notion page to ensure persistent loading. This proves it's fully embedded. If the embed is blank, check for iframe blocking, CORS errors, or missing public access on the provider side. Those are the usual culprits. As a quick fix, try a cached or alternate embed URL, or replace with a screenshot link until the provider resolves the block. This closes the loop and keeps your page usable.
Thanks for watching. If you found this helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe.